Do you remember Dyson's first headphones, the Zone? Those Bane-like ones with the air filter attachment? Honestly, they were so over the top that I couldn't take Dyson seriously. Look, Dyson's vacuums and hairstyling gadgets are great, no doubt. But some of the other products seem more like design stunts that fizzled out after the initial hype. So when Dyson announced their new OnTrac headphones, priced at a hefty $44,900, I went in with low expectations. With brands like Apple, Sony and Bose dominating noise-cancelling headphones, it seemed unlikely that Dyson could compete with anything more than flashy looks. But after using them for a few weeks, I've got to say, these headphones are genuinely impressive. That said, there are a few issues you should know about. But before we get into that, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that we can keep bringing you more awesome gadget reviews like this. The OnTrac headphones look unsurprisingly a bit like Dyson's vacuums. My review unit came in a flashy metallic copper with navy blue accents. And Dyson offers easy to swap earpads and ear cup caps in other colors. Honestly, at this price point, I really appreciate the ability to swap out parts that wear out, something that adds a bit of practical longevity to the whole package. You get up to 2,000 possible customization combinations, so that kind of flexibility comes at a cost, with extra components sold separately. I should also mention that the aluminum parts are total fingerprint magnets. They pick up smudges fast and get dirty pretty easily. Now, compared to sleeker options like the Sonos Ace or AirPods Max, the Dyson OnTrac headphones are big and bulky. At 451 grams, they're noticeably heavier, and the massive case that they come with only adds to the size. If you're used to using more compact headphones, you'll definitely feel the difference. I even noticed my head tilting after a while. Dyson tried to balance the weight by placing 2 battery cells in the headband, and while that helps, you'll still feel the heft. Another drawback is the round ear cups, which don't match the natural shape of my ears. I had to adjust them a bit to get the right fit. Not a deal breaker, but something to think about, especially for travel. The good news is that the segmented headband and thick cloth earpads feel very snug and offer solid passive noise isolation, making longer sessions more comfortable. As for the controls, they're a mix of physical and touch. The right ear cup features a joystick for playback, which is a bit tricky at first. You have to be precise. Pressing the wrong way can pause your music instead of adjusting the volume. Even after a few weeks, I still find myself fumbling occasionally. Fortunately, a double tap on the touch-sensitive ear cups lets you switch between ANC and transparency mode easily, and this feature works reliably even with quick taps on the edges. The OnTrac headphones cover essential features like piping in ambient sound through the mics and auto-pausing music when removed. However, they lack advanced features like adaptive ANC, automatic speech detection, or spatial audio, features found in cheaper models like Sony's WH-1000XM5. The companion app is also pretty basic, showing battery status, noise control and EQ settings with just 3 presets: Enhanced, Bass Boost and Neutral. Enhanced, the default, works best. One standout feature is a sound exposure graph that tracks both in-ear and external noise. Staying under 85 decibels keeps you in the safe zone, though 75% volume already feels uncomfortably loud. Now let's talk performance, because that's what really matters. The Dyson OnTrac uses 8 microphones to sample external sounds 384,000 times per second, and it shows. Even with heavy construction outside my flat, I couldn't hear a thing while wearing them. Dyson claims they block up to 40 decibels of noise, which is more than enough to protect your ears. With the world shut out, I was impressed by the OnTrac's sound, especially its deep, refined bass. Listening to Kid Cudi's Day and Night, I could feel the low frequencies resonate through me, even without bass boost enabled. The layering is solid overall, though vocals aren't quite as prominent as I'd prefer. Noise cancelling works great during calls, but voice quality is a weak spot. My voice sounded flat and compressed, lacking the clarity you'd expect from premium headphones. It's clear Dyson prioritized ANC with 8 microphones, but only included 1 for calls, and you can definitely tell.
This is an audio sample of a call recorded using the Dyson OnTrac headphones. As you can hear, my voice does seem a little flat and compressed, so the noise cancellation works quite well.
Another issue is that the Dyson OnTrac uses Bluetooth 5.0, an outdated codec for premium headphones. Most top models now use Bluetooth 5.3 or 4, which offer better range and stability. With the OnTrac, I noticed the connection would drop easily if I moved too far away from my phone. For the high price, it's disappointing to see Dyson lagging here. On the flip side, I tested the OnTrac for a week without needing to recharge them, even with 6 to 7 hours of daily listening. Dyson claims up to 55 hours of playback with ANC on, which surpasses nearly all competitors in this price range. That said, you might want to explore other options before spending nearly $45,000 on the Dyson OnTrac. The premium Sonos Ace costs around 10,000 rupees less, and the Sony WH-1000XM5 offers more features for almost 19,000 rupees less. However, the Dyson OnTrac sets itself apart with ultra-premium design and impressive 55-hour battery life, making it a solid choice for those who prioritize aesthetics and long-lasting performance.